Rugged smartphones have a lot of loyal fans. They are often used by builders, people practicing extreme sports, or simply those users who often fall out of their hands of electronic equipment. Oukitel presented its new construction of this type. Oukitel WP20 is a rugged smartphone closed in a housing, described by the manufacturer as prettier than the competition. Is it worth being interested in this device? Judge for yourself. Oukitel has announced their latest rugged phone. The company claims the new phone, dubbed Oukitel WP20, will be lighter with a more stylish appearance compared to other rugged phones. The brand, known for its rugged smartphones, is now focusing on style and portability without compromising on the form factor. And to the end, they have designed Oukitel WP20 to be a lightweight and stylish rugged phone that will be available in 3 distinct colors: are green, orange, and gray. The WP20 5G phone comes with IP68, 69K, and the latest MIL STD810H military certifications. This means the phone is water-resistant, dustproof, shockproof, and perfect for the extreme and harsh outdoors. However, this tough-as-nails smartphone weighs just 297 grams, making it highly portable and easy to carry around in your pocket. Oukitel WP20 features a 5.93-inch HD+ display with an 18:9 aspect ratio and Corning Gorilla Glass protection. WP20 is very handy and can be easily operated with one hand. It has a layer of Corning Gorilla Glass as protection and promises a good visual experience. Powered by the MediaTek Helio A22 chipset, it comes with 4 GB RAM and 32 GB internal storage, and expandable up to 128 GB. The phone will run on the latest Android 12 OS out of the box and offer better customization and greater security and privacy. This is a more dynamic and personal OS that allows you to have much control over the optimization and personalization of your phone. WP20 will inherit great features, particularly in UI optimization, privacy control, security updates, and improved performance. It features a dual rear camera setup with a 20-megapixel main camera and a photosensitive auxiliary sensor. For your selfies, you have a 5-megapixel sensor in the front. The highlight feature of Oukitel phones lies in their massive batteries, and WP20 also inherits this legacy with a 6300 mAh battery that can easily last you for up to 2 days on a single charge. Moreover, with the reverse charge function, you can use the smartphone as a mini power bank as and when required. Oukitel WP20 rugged smartphone will officially launch on 27 May 2022 on AliExpress for around $189. However, you can pre-order the phone for a heavily discounted price of $89.99 only at AliExpress. Please note that this world premiere discount sale will start on 23 May 2022 and end on 27 May 2022. Guys, I think this video was interesting. If you have questions, then write in the comments below. Also subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and see you soon.